Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. The last 24 hours has seen Bitcoin trade for as high as $28,000. It has also traded for as low as $27,000. It's currently ranked number one on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency market. With a market capitalization of over $525 billion, where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We're currently in a Bitcoin bear market. Bitcoin has dropped to as low as $15,500 in this bear market. But I've also seen it rally to as high as $31,000. Are we gearing up to continue dumping to Goblin Town, or are we gearing up to have one big pump to the upside? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin's market cap and Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment in the market is still neutral. Are we going to pump to higher prices? Will Bitcoin lead us into that bear market rally we have been waiting for? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bitcoin has dumped aggressively to Goblin Town just like it does in every bear market. We have seen Bitcoin go from as high as $69,000 in November of 2021. Bitcoin has dropped to as low as $15,500, and that was way back in November of 2022. It took Bitcoin around 1 year to finish dumping to Goblin Town. The previous bear market also saw Bitcoin spend 1 year dumping to Goblin Town. So maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in. The previous bear market saw Bitcoin, after dumping to Goblin Town, have a bear market rally where we saw Bitcoin rallying by around 300% to the upside. This bear market has been a little different. Even though we have seen Bitcoin dump to Goblin Town, Bitcoin didn't dump as hard as it did in the previous bear market. And this rally right now, Bitcoin has only gone up by around 94%. Now, I don't think we'll see a 300% pump for Bitcoin in this bear market. A 300% pump from the $15,500 region would have seen Bitcoin almost at new all-time highs. That will see Bitcoin trading back at $62,000. While that can be possible, I don't think we'll see that happening anytime soon. We saw Bitcoin starting 2023 on a very bright note. Bitcoin started the year trading at $16,000 and was slowly but surely worked our way to even getting to as high as $31,000. That's where the problem lies. Since March of 2023, where Bitcoin started that final pump to the upside, where Bitcoin left altcoins, Bitcoin has just been moving sideways. The whole market have been waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. A lot of people in the market have been speculating that we'll see Bitcoin drop into as low as $25,000. It looks so very obvious. Bitcoin has support level at that price point. We saw Bitcoin get rejected at that $25,000 in August of 2022. We also saw it get rejected at that $25,000 level in March of 2022 as we're trying to pump to higher prices. But we finally broke above that $25,000 level. Bitcoin even rallied to as high as $31,000. But since then, Bitcoin has just been moving sideways, hitting $31,000 and still not going to as low as $27,000. How long has Bitcoin been going sideways? Guys, Bitcoin started this sideways motion way back in the 8th of March. We have seen Bitcoin go sideways now for around 84 days. At some point in time, Bitcoin is going to make that decision either to start pumping to the upside, gathering us towards that $5,000 level that I've talked about in previous videos, or we'll see Bitcoin dumping to the downside, maybe even going below the $25,000 level. A lot of market participants are expecting. Let's not be shocked to see Bitcoin return at some point in time in this bear market to as low as $19,000. But one thing is for sure, Bitcoin's bear market is coming to an end. One thing is for sure, Bitcoin is getting ready for another pump to the upside. How high can we possibly go? Let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool and let's see how high it's telling us Bitcoin can rally in the coming days and in the coming weeks. From the top that came in for Bitcoin in November of 2021 to the bottom where we've gotten to in this bear market, some key levels where Bitcoin might find problem as we're pumping to higher prices in this bear market. If we can rally above that at $1,000 level, Bitcoin might still be facing some difficulties when we get to that at $6,000 region. There's a lot of resistance for Bitcoin at that level. And even if we rally above that $6,000 level, guys, let's be very, very careful, because we can easily see Bitcoin get above that $6,000, get people hyper bullish, even get to as high as for $3,000 at that level. People will be convinced of new all-time highs. Bitcoin will basically just be 20 or 30% from its all-time high. Bitcoin will be around some 60% move off its all-time high. At that level, that will be a very, very dangerous level, and I'll be shocked to see if the bear market rally is coming to an end after Bitcoin hits that $43,000 region. But for Bitcoin to hit that $43,000 region, we still have to see Bitcoin rally up by around 55% to the upside. Do you think we'll see that happening anytime soon? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Let's take a look at some details about Bitcoin. Still ranked number one. Over 4 million people have Bitcoin on their watches on CoinMarketCap, with a maximum supply of 21 million coins. More than 92% of those coins are in circulation. With a fully diluted market cap of $568 billion, Bitcoin has a market capitalization of over $500 billion. Where can you get some Bitcoins? If you want to get some right now deep in the bear market, if you're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can get some Bitcoins on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. We're deep in the crypto bear market, guys. The bear market is where you want to accumulate, getting ready for that next crypto bull run. If you believe we'll see Bitcoin pumping to new all-time highs, if you believe we'll see Bitcoin continue rallying to higher prices, when the market is bearish, when the market is in fear, is when you want to accumulate, getting ready for that big pump to the upside. And if you take a look at the altcoin season index, it's telling us right now we are in Bitcoin season. Bitcoin has been outperforming all coins over the last 90 days. And the fact that Bitcoin has been outperforming all coins doesn't mean all coins will just start outperforming Bitcoin. We can easily stay in this Bitcoin season for 2 months or even 3 months. It happened way back in 2019. We stayed in this Bitcoin season from around June until we got to November before we saw the market hopping out of that Bitcoin season. So right now, Bitcoin is still the king of the crypto markets. If you take a look at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, Bitcoin has been underperforming against Ethereum for a very long time, but it looks as if Bitcoin is gearing up for one big pump to the upside against Ethereum. We've seen Bitcoin since September of 2019 slowly but surely dumping to Goblin Town against. We've seen Bitcoin since September of 2019 dumping to Goblin Town against Ethereum. At some point in time, it was down around 81%. But since May of 2021, we have been seeing it move sideways. We have been seeing it consolidate. So it's either we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town, or we still have one big move to the upside. Take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, which sits around $527 billion using the Fibonacci retracement tool. How high can Bitcoin's market cap go in this bear market rally? How high should we expect to see Bitcoin's market cap go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Key levels where we might be facing difficulties, key levels where a lot of smart investors might start taking some profits off the table. If we see Bitcoin's market cap heading back to the $1 trillion region, guys, that will be a very, very crucial point. That might be a turning point. There's going to be a lot of buzz in the market if Bitcoin heads there. But from where we're currently trading, for Bitcoin to head above that $1 trillion region, Bitcoin will have to give us a big pump to the upside by around 100%. You know how volatile Bitcoin can be? We can easily see that 100% pump come in the next few weeks. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, which sits around 46%. That might be good to see Bitcoin dominance increasing in the market. But guys, Bitcoin dominance can continue increasing to higher prices forever. We have seen Bitcoin dominance dump even to as low as 37%. Anytime Bitcoin dominance is increasing, it's a good thing for the market, because it means the market is tending towards Bitcoin. It means people are acknowledging that Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Anytime you see people start gambling on all coins, anytime you see people running away from Bitcoin, the market is getting really, really overvalued. And right now, the sentiment in the market is still neutral. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see us pumping to higher prices quickly in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Is Bitcoin bottom in already in this bear market, or do we risk dumping to lower prices? I'm still seeing a lot of people on Twitter still anticipating Bitcoin getting to $12,000, maybe even $10,000. Do you think the bottom is in and Bitcoin is not heading below $15,000, or Bitcoin will soon dump to Goblin Town? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.